Give me a number, sir, please.
Okay. Number is 120, 120.
120. Be blessed by the divine Lord. You are asking this question for your younger brother. What should we do, Kamlesh? Rotate the chart to?
Sorry, sir.
Rotate the chart to third house, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If it is for younger brother, then you rotate it to third. If it is for older brother, you rotate it to 11.
11th house. Yes, sir.
Okay. Since you are asking for basically job, no?
Yes, sir. No.
So we look at the sixth bhava. Starts in Aries at 2240. The sub-lord is Saturn, the delay maker Saturn in the Sadabhisha Nakshatra in Aquarius, in the star of Rahu. Rahu is deposited in the fifth bhava at 8 degrees, conjunct with Jupiter also, owning the fifth bhava. 6 equal to 5 means no job, sir.
Okay.
So currently, it is not possible for him to look for a job and get it. What is the sub of Saturn? Mercury in the sixth house. With some struggle, he may be able to earn some money. 11th house sub-lord Sun in the star of Rohini, owned by Moon. Moon itself is in the 12th bhava. Disappointment only will come.
Okay.
Anything in the star of Mercury? Nothing in the star of Mercury. Anything in the star of Mars? 1, 6, 8, 7. Venus, third house sub-lord Venus, in the star of Saturn in the third house. Sir, ask him to look for some contractual jobs, sir, or some trading jobs.
Okay.
Simple trading, like get material from one place, sell it to another place, make some 1%, 2%, 5% money out of it. Let it be, totally everything advance base. So let him not work on putting his own money or take money from someone, take loan and implement, and then invest that money in his business and do trading. He will lose.
Okay.
If he is able to just do some trading, minor trading. It can be vegetable sales, for instance, can be some grocery sales, for instance, something bulk. Take that amount and do it.
Basically, in commission base.
Commission basis, something like that. Let him look for some kind of a arrangement or a temporary assignment. He can go to a company and say, okay, contractually, I will be there for 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. I will do. That is what is likely to happen for him for some time.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. Good luck to your brother Vishal.